Hey guys, it's Carla. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these glass palettes. The great thing about the glass is it's really easy to clean. It's reusable over and over. This one right here is very old and kind of ugly, but it works for me. And so I'm going to show you how to make one like it. So the first thing I want to do, I've got some white and black here on my palette, and this is just an 8x10 canvas panel, like I normally use. So what I want to do is mix up this light gray shade. It's kind of like the color of a lot of disposable palettes that you buy. But after this, you'll never have to buy another one. Okay, that might be a good color, keeping in mind that when it dries darker. I love these glass palettes because they, and if you buy one new, they're not cheap. So I always make mine, but I've got this one, which is 8x10, and I've also made an 11x14 one that I use when I need a bigger area to work on. But they're super easy to make and super inexpensive. Try to get the clumps out of it. Okay, so now I'm going to dry that, and I'll come back and show you how to put it all together. Okay, so my canvas is dry, and I've left my paint out here so I can show you how easy this is to clean up. So some of it has kind of dried a little bit, some of it's still wet. Here's what I usually do. So I take a paper towel and I wipe off the part that's still wet, and then I spray it with water, just mist it with water, and I take a regular plastic palette knife, and I'm barely scraping this, but this, you can scrape it as hard as you want, but I'm barely scraping it and it's still coming off. It's very easy to clean up. And then I take another paper towel clean my knife, clean my palette, and it's good to use again. So this is really easy to work with, and saves you a lot of money. So you know, you might buy palette paper, you might buy styrofoam plates or paper plates or whatever. You don't have to do that when you've got one of these. All right, so I've got my canvas panel. I went to the Dollar Tree and bought just a cheap frame. The only thing is, when you, especially at the Dollar Tree, but even other places, sometimes the glass is not glass. Sometimes it's plastic. So you don't want plastic, because plastic is, like acrylic paint is plastic. Plastic sticks to plastic. So you don't want a plastic one, because it won't clean well. So make sure that it's glass. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of that frame, get rid of all that. All right, so now I've got my glass. And make sure that your glass is the same size as your canvas. So I've got an 8x10 canvas panel, 8x10 glass. Okay, so now that I've got I've got my canvas and my glass together. I want to line it up, and I'm going to use, you guessed it, duct tape. So I'm going to start by tearing a piece that's the length of my canvas. And on the front side, like, you don't care on the back how far it comes out, but on the front, okay, I've got tape stuck to me. Get off. Okay. But on the front, you want just a little bit so that you don't cover up a lot of your surface. And what this duct tape does, or you could use any kind of thick tape, but what it does is it keeps you from having this raw glass edge, which obviously you could get cut on. But duct tape, I've found, stays on there really well, even through cleaning it and everything. It stays on. So, all right, so I've got one edge done. This is not an exact science, by the way. See how it gives you that nice smooth edge so that there's no chance of cutting yourself. And the canvas panel, what it does is, for one thing, it gives you the color that you want. This light gray is a good color for mixing paint on. But it also thickens up the whole palette so that the glass doesn't break. I want to make sure that my edges are really taped down well. And there is my new glass palette. So, which I'm going to continue to use this one until, maybe someday it'll break or something, but right now it's working just fine, so I'm going to continue to use it. But I wanted to make one, I wanted to show you step by step how these are made, so that you can make your own. And so I'll just use this one as a spare. So, just glass on the front, just a regular canvas panel on the back. So, hope you guys found this useful, and until next time, thanks for watching. God bless you.